Today we are doing this worksheet that is going to make us better at these graphs. And it's a combination of all sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. So the first worksheet is all sine and cosine. Could you write the equation?
Yes.
And I already put the y value here for you. So is this a sine or a cosine graph?
Sine.
It's a sine. And what's the amplitude?
1
1. So this is going to be sine x
plus 2.
plus 2. Next one. Is this one sine or cosine?
Cosine.
It's cosine. What is it?
Minus 2.
Cosine x
Minus 2.
minus 2. Next one. Is this the sine graph or the cosine graph?
Negative
It's
sine.
it's a negative
2
2
sine of x
sine x
plus 3.
plus 3. Excellent. Number 4. Sine or cosine? Cosine. What is it?
Negative cosine
Negative cosine
of x minus 3.
minus 3. Good. Number 5.
Sine, 3 sine
3 sine
of x minus
X.
1.
minus 1. Number 6. Is this a sine, absolute value sine or cosine?
Sine
With what's the amplitude?
2
2.
plus 3.
Plus 3. Number 7. Is this sine or cosine?
Cosine.
It's cosine. What's the amplitude?
3 minus 1.
It's upside down, so it's a negative 3. What's this one? Cosine. What's the amplitude?
3
3
cosine of x
cosine
plus 3.
x plus
3.
3. How about
Negative
this one? Sine or cosine?
negative 3 sine of x minus 3.
Easy?
Yeah.
Back side.
That was simple. That's awesome. Cosine.
Number 10.
Negative
Cosine. What's the amplitude?
4.
4?
Negative
3.
4. Negative 3. I can't see these dots. No, that's 4.
From here, 1, 2,
Oh, you're right, my bad.
negative 3 cosine x minus 1. Number 11. Uh-huh. What kind of number goes in front?
Negative 4.
Negative 4 sine x plus nothing.
Yeah, that's
How about 12?
4 sine of x.
4 sine x plus nothing. Number 13,
4 cosine of x.
4 cosine x plus nothing, right? This one I messed up, this graph.
Yeah, it looks like
It should be like, it should be here. I drew this one wrong.
just skip it. Cause I'm all confused. Just
What is
X.
this one? It's a cosine. Ignore that.
It's a-
All right, ignore that one. Number 15, I drew it wrong. What's this one?
Sine.
Sine, absolute value, right? What else? Negative 4 plus 2. Good. Number 16,
Absolute value of cosine.
absolute value cosine. Uh-huh.
4
4
plus 2.
plus 2. Good. Next one?
Sine.
Sine, what kind of sine? It is sine, but what's the amplitude?
2 sine.
What kind of 2?
Negative
Negative 2 sine
x minus 4
minus 4. And the last one,
cosine.
negative cosine x.
Negative.
Oh, wait, what are
Negative
these?
1/2
This is
cosine.
1, this is 2, this is 3.
If I had factor of a half. So negative 1.
So this is 2, but what's this right here?
Negative 1/2.
Negative 1/2. job. Okay, next. Now we're gonna do tangent and cotangent.
I don't like these ones.
Now, what you need to do is you need to look for the asymptotes. If the asymptotes are at pi over 2 and negative pi over 2, it's tangent. If it's at pi, 0 pi, 2 pi, then it's cotangent. So these asymptotes are at pi, or at pi over 2. So this is gonna be a tangent, and it's if it's positive, it's gonna be a positive. So you wanna look in between here, that's your steepness. So this is gonna be just right tangent of x. Easy?
That's it.
These are all
That's it.
tangent of x.
Yeah.
This whole page is tangent. What's this one gonna be?
Negative tangent.
-3 tangent x.
Oh, you see where the dot is.
Cause here's the dot right there. And it's going backwards. How about number 3?
Negative 2 tangent x plus 2.
Number 4, 2 tangent x
Minus 3.
minus 3. Number 5,
Absolute
absolute value.
plus 2. 2.
Yep.
Isn't it two?
2
Oh, 2, yes. Yep, 2, right here. 2.
Negative absolute value.
Negative absolute
Negative
value.
2 absolute value. No.
These are all
negative
ones, right?
Negative 3 absolute value. Then minus 3.
This is gonna be minus 3. Oh, wait, it is 3. 3 down.
Yeah,
So it's,
okay.
yep, 3. I didn't see these dots right here. Next one.
Negative 2, 3.
Negative.
Tangent x plus 1.
Negative 3
Tangent x plus 1.
plus 1. Next one.
Just tangent x
Minus 1.
minus 1.
Minus 1, yep. Next one.
Negative tangent x
Plus 5.
plus 5.
Good job. Back page.
Yeah, I'll put that.
This is quick.
I like it.
Now, where are these asymptotes?
Pi.
0 and pi. So these are,
Cotangent.
if it looks like a negative, it's just a regular cotangent. So this is gonna be cotangent x, that's it,
And the
cotangent
next
x.
one's
How about this
negative.
one?
Cotangent.
This is gonna be negative
2
2
cotangent.
cotangent x plus
1.
1. Next one.
3 cotangent x.
3 cotangent x
Minus 2.
minus 2.
Absolute value. 2.
Absolute value, cotangent, 2 in front,
Plus 3. That's a terrible eraser.
terrible eraser. X plus 3. Next one.
Negative cotangent.
Negative
1. Negative cotangent.
cotangent,
Absolute value.
forgot my x,
Minus 4.
minus 4. Next one.
Negative cotangent of x.
Negative cotangent,
Minus 1.
minus 1. You guys are getting these.
2 cotangent.
2 cotangent x
Plus 3.
plus 3,
Absolute value.
absolute value,
2, 3, 4.
4.
Minus 3.
and last one.
Negative 2 cotangent of x plus 3.
Easy so far?
Yeah.
Okay, now, the grand finale. 8 more and you're done. This is how you do these ones. These are secant and cosecant, right? This is what I suggest you do. Draw in the sine or cosine curve. So I'm doing it in orange. So this is what it looks like.
Oh, yeah, that's right. These are the secant.
So, can you tell me what this orange graph is?
Sine.
Read the whole thing to me. Y equals
3 sine of x.
sine x. right?
So now you just,
It's not going up or down.
so now you just plug it
So
in.
your answer here is gonna be
Three,
Three
three,
cosecant
X.
x.
That's not bad.
Number 2, draw in your,
We just try to take the dots and just two secant X.
so this would be 2 cosine x.
So two secant.
So what would the actual graph be?
Two secant X.
Next one. Now, this one's a little off. So you're gonna need to find your x-axis, which is right in the, you wanna get it right in the middle. Do you see that? It's not gonna be drawn for you. So you wanna be able to draw your graph here, otherwise you don't know what it is. So name the one in orange for me.
-4 cosine.
Negative what?
Oh, -2.
Negative 2 cosine X minus 2. So what's my real answer?
-2 secant X minus 2.
Negative 2 secant x minus 2. Okay, how do I do this one?
Draw your asymptote.
Where's the asymptote?
+1.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what's this graph?
-3 sine of X +1.
So what's my answer?
-3 cosecant X minus +1.
Good? One more. Okay, now this one, it's obviously an absolute value, so you're gonna wanna do this. What's that?
Sine.
Sine?
Yep.
It'd be what, absolute value?
That's the value.
What's the
2.
amplitude?
2 cosecant X.
So what's this one gonna be?
2 times X. That's the value cosecant X. Cosine.
I thought it was +2 there for a second.
What about this one?
-3 secant X.
Does it help drawing it in?
Yes.
Kinda.
Kind of.
Well, I can see it.
What's the graph in orange?
-3 is cosine. That's the value.
So what's this one?
-3 secant times the S secant X. Do we have a
2 up? What's that graph?
-3
-3 cosine x
+2
plus 2.
-3 secant X.
And the last one. What's this?
Negative sine
Negative sine
X plus 4. Negative cosecant X plus 4.
Good? Or were we hit that?
Yeah. Good morning test today.